going to the Caribbean. We are going to Dominican Republic, and I'm bringing you along to show you what I am packing. I am Nikki. This channel is all about our travelling. It could be UK or abroad, but this trip I am going with my sister. If you've seen the previous vlog, then you would have known what is going on, but I'll give you a rundown now. So I am going to go to the Caribbean, Dominican Republic, to surprise my mum for her 60th birthday. Make sure I'm not calling her. At this moment in time, my mum is at Gatwick Airport about to get on her flight to her week cruise around the Caribbean. She's gone with her best friend and they're going on a Marella cruise. And then my sister and we are going to travel out and join her in the hotel afterwards. She does not have a clue that we will be at the hotel. Her best friend does, but she doesn't have a clue. So we are very excited. We haven't been able to get the suitcases down until now because she's been in our houses. If we had the suitcases down, she'll be asking questions. So I have got them down now and I'm ready to start packing. Throughout the month, I have been putting things in packing cubes and putting them in my wardrobe. Like this, packing cubes for the holiday, and now I need to sort it all out properly and make sure I've got everything because I've only got a week to buy some things if I need to. So I'm going to do that now, so you're going to pack with me. My suitcase, I don't know what to put in it, so I need to double check now. So far, this is everything from my suitcase. I do have some clothes in my hand luggage that I will take with me in the hand luggage. But this is everything I've got to sort out so far. I think I have some stuff upstairs, so I need to go and get that. Trusty old faithful Primark flip-flops that gets you through everything. So if they do break when I'm away, I can just throw these away. In the sandal section. This is the pile that I just got from upstairs. I've got some new underwear. I've got a face mask for the plane. Also, my sister has one. I've got my Gucci Rush perfume, which I love. Underwear. Got these new beach trousers in green. I love this colour. It really does suit me. So I really tried these on and loved them. So yeah, and my beach towel. So the beach towel goes with the beach stuff. Looking at the mess in front of me, I haven't got a cap, so I need to find a cap. I don't know where one is, so I've got to write that on my list. I found my cap. It's just a simple blue one, so it should go with most things. I'll just stick it in the pile of randomness. Now I've got to sort this into here and work out if I need to buy anything else. I do want a pair of black versions of these. I did go to Primark in Stratford the other day, Westfields, and they didn't have my size. They had lots of small but no medium larges, so I need to get some of these from somewhere. I'm going to see if my daughter has a pair that I can just nick for the week. But yeah, I need some more of these. And I don't really have anything to go over my shoulders, like a thicker, slight cardigan for the evening if it's cold. I don't know if it gets cold in the Caribbean at all. Who knows? At the moment, it's really nice weather there. It's like 30 degrees, but other than that, I don't have a clue if it's cold in the evenings. So I need kind of like a cardigan thing. Haven't worked that one out yet. But I'm going to pack everything that I've got here first. The first thing I'm going to pack is the bag that is going in my hand luggage, just in case the suitcases get lost. I really don't want to be wearing lots of clothes for one day at a time. So let's just sort that out now. We'll use this purple one for that. Definitely taking pyjamas in my hand luggage. I will take underwear. Also need to pack an extra bra. I I will pack, my cat will go in there. Shorts, a play suit. I think that's all I need in there. I think, I'm not sure. I'm still working all this out. That's my hand luggage one done. I've got 2 pairs of knickers, a cap, a play suit, pyjamas, and a pair of shorts. That is ready to go. Now I need to pack the bag that I'm going to give to my sister to put in her suitcase in case my suitcase gets lost. We're going for a bigger one. Ready to go for a bigger one? Medium sized one, I think. And obviously I'm going to put underwear in there, a spare swimming cozy. Actually I'm going to put a swimming cozy in this one. Let's do that first. Swimming costume going in. If I know where the zip is. We're going to go for a pair of trousers. We're going to go for a dress. I'm going to go for a light shirt just to go over my stuff. I'll pack that. I just had a message. I'm going to see if it's actually my mum saying that she's on the flight now. Because she goes any minute now, I think. Unless it's delayed. So I'm going to go and check that first. Now for the big bag. This into here and then do my body wash stuff. Big one should be at the bottom. This is the beach kind of stuff. In here I've got towel, I've got clips and swimming cozies. In this big one is all about the clothing, dresses, shorts, everything. In here I've got my evening dresses. And in here is kind of underwear and shoes. I need to put that in there. I need to put these in there. I need to put that in there. And all this in there. Just got to try and work it out. And obviously the beach bag and hangers. I do need more hangers. That bag up there is going to my sister. So that's going in her suitcase. I need to have room for hers in my suitcase. Yeah, I've got to work this one out. Hold on. This is what my suitcase looks like so far. I do have room, which is good. I do need to put my sister's in there and the body wash stuff. So let's just try and shove this all in. In this Cath Kidston bag here, I've just got all this sort of stuff, which I think we need. Obviously, Caribbean is hot. There's lots of mozzies, after sun, paracetamol, deodorant. My sister has got the shampoo, conditioners and body wash. So I've just got this sort of stuff. I think we'll be fine, I think. This is just a bag of stuff that I've always had in here. I am due to be on my period while I'm in the Caribbean, which is very sad. So I do need some sanitary towels and tampons to get me through the holiday. So I do want to go swimming while I'm away. Also got my lithoxine, so I've got no thyroids. That's my medication. I'm going to take one in the suitcase and one in my hand luggage in case it gets lost, because I need to have one every day, and if I don't, I could die and be seriously ill. So I need to have one in my hand luggage as well, but in case I lose the one in the hand luggage, I always pack an extra one anyway. In here I have plugs, weighing scales, padlocks and contact lenses, which I might need more. Actually, I won't need more. I've got quite a few in there, so that is fine in there. I'm just going to leave them in there because I don't know where else to put them, so they just stay in there. Like the way last night I scratched my head. I've got a nice cut there now. Never mind. Picked up a few more things. I've got a green cardigan, a long sleeve shirt and a bra. So I need to pack that in now as well. And then I think I'm done. I just need to pick up sanitary towels and tampons still. I'll do that in a minute. And then I'm done. And now for my hand luggage. This is what I have so far. So it's paperwork and passports in here. That's the bag going in my hand luggage. Flights, socks. This is the footrest that my sister got from Tiwi, whatever it is. Sunglasses, my toothbrush holders. I'll put my toothbrush in my hand luggage. Hand gel, some contact lenses, my thyroid, Vaseline, book, face wipe, face mask, paracetamol, and a pack of tissues. And a stand for my phone. Yeah, that's, I kind of don't need much more, I don't think. Yeah, obviously my iPad will be getting packed and the chargers, but that's really it. It's a 9-hour flight. You can't do much when you're in a flight other than watch TV and read a book. Ta-da! Oh, and my headphones. I need to pack my headphones still, but I'm still using them, so ta-da! I think I'm packed. Thank you for watching the video of my packing for the holiday. As of this point, it's still 7 days to go. I still need to pack my headphones and my iPad, chargers, and I need to find some black shorts to go underneath my dresses sometimes. So that's all the things I need to do, and I'll be doing that throughout the week now. I need to print off my travel insurance as well. So I actually might go and do that in a minute to get that done. Hope you liked it. Bye.